Hello everyone, in this video I'll talk a little bit about the special variables that the controller has internally. So first, to access these special variables, let's go to System GVLs, then select Special Variables. And inside here, you can see we have multiple post variables. You also have the system time, day of week, hour minute, and task interval. To demonstrate how these special variables work, let's use some of these post variables right here. So let's go back to user PRG, create a new network. Now let's go to the View tab to open our toolbox. Then go here, ladder elements, and add a contact and a coil to our network. Now for the contact, I'll use any special variable from the special variables GVL. So let's say I'll use the pulse underline 2-second variable, which is a square variable. What that means is that this variable will switch between an on and off state in 1 second. So in 1 second, it has a high logical state, and in the other second, it has a low logical state. And if you add up these two periods of time, it sums up to 2 seconds. So I'll add it and go here to the coil and assign an input, or better yet, output. Let's test it. Then put the controller in run mode. And there we go. As you can see, each 1 second, the contact switches its logical state between on and off. And the cycle continues every 2 seconds. That's how you use special variables in Master Tool, and I see you on the next video.